I will be showing you how to use the Follow Me tool in SketchUp to create a hemisphere. So first, you want to draw a circle using the Circle tool. So the Circle tool is this one right here. And the easiest view to draw this in is Top View. So we can click Command 2 or use the Orbit tool, which is this one right here, to get to the top view. So to draw the circle, we're going to click and drag outwards. And you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner, the dimensions for the radius will pop up. So you can keep dragging out or in until your desired radius size appears, and then let go. So now we're going to rotate to a side view of this circle by clicking Command 3 or using the Orbit tool again. So this circle has to have the same origin as the circle we just drew. So if you hover over this circle, a blue dot will appear and say Center, and that's the origin of the first circle. So we can click and drag out, but this circle has to be smaller than the circle you just drew. So it can't extend outside the boundaries like this. It has to fall inside. So for example like this, and you can drag until the desired radius again appears and let go. So now we're going to use the Orbit tool and rotate to a more top view of both circles. Click on the Pointer tool and click on the circle you drew first. And then click on the Follow Me tool, which is this one right here, and click the circle you drew second. And you'll see that we have a whole sphere here. But since we only want half a sphere, we're going to have to erase the bottom half. So I'm going to click the Orbit tool, rotate to a side view, zoom in a little bit, and to get these lines on the figure to make it easier to erase, we can click View, Hidden Geometry, and it'll have a check mark next to it, and that's how you know that it's on. So we're going to click the Eraser tool and click and drag across the first section of the bottom half, and everything that's in blue will be erased. So we can let go and do it again so it gets the back half. And so now that it's separate in two separate pieces, we can click the Pointer tool, select the bottom portion, and delete. So now we're going to click Command 2 to see a bottom view, and we're going to delete this outside little rim. So we just click on the bottom, click Delete, also delete the rim. And if you orbit around the figure, you'll see that it kind of looks like a bowl right now, so not a complete three-dimensional hemisphere. So we can click Command 2 again, and to get a bottom face to the hemisphere, we can click the Pencil tool, click on one edge, and drag across to the other side, let go, and then use the Eraser tool and erase this line. Then we can orbit around and see that we do now have a complete three-dimensional figure. And to get rid of the lines, View, Hidden Geometry, and then the lines will disappear and you have your hemisphere.